So we are at the Easton, just shy of 1,700 square foot, 1-story. Nice open floor plan. Immediately to the right, we have 2 good-sized bedrooms. Lots of natural light, tall ceilings. And they have their own private bathroom up here, which is nice. With tub. So if the kiddos want their own space up here, it makes it kind of nice. This room's a very similar size. Nice foyer area. And then we have the garage is here. Nice big laundry room, can definitely put some extra storage in here. I know they painted it dark, but it's huge. Another separate bedroom for kiddos, or guest bedroom for in-laws if they have come stay with you. Because remember, this one's 1,700 square feet, good size square footage, and 4 bedrooms. So here we're going into the nice open living room, dining room area. Very nice view of it. Into the master bedroom. I love how much natural light this brings in with the 2 windows framing the bedroom. Double sinks, his and hers. Lots of extra storage. And a walk-in shower. Nice private, I call it toilet room. That might not be the PC way of doing it, but huge walk-in closet. Let me show you a good shot of this. Very, very big. And there's even room in the middle if you wanted to add like a little seating area. All LED lighting. Let's see, get you a better shot of the kitchen here. Undermount sink, granite countertops, huge pantry, tons of space. They even have a sectional couch in here, so plenty of space, very affordable. Let's see if we can get outside. Yep. Huge patio. And a lot of times these are wired for ceiling fans if that's important to you. Large, large setback. And I know a lot of the lots in this neighborhood have these large setbacks, just like you see here on the model, so that you're not smashed up against your neighbor. Your nice patio area, but like a nice seating area or dining table back here. Really nice sized backyard. And as you can see on the other side, you have also that nice setback. A setback is the distance between the side of the house to the fence line. These ones look 10 feet if you ask me. I don't have my tape measure out, but D.R. Horton also does standard gutters, which, believe it or not, in Arizona is not standard with most builders. That is a rare thing, even though it doesn't cost that much money. It really helps with drainage when we do get our monsoon rains. So that's something to note. Let me know if you have any questions or what the availability and current incentives are on this.